Stop lying to yourself. You're completely invisible and society doesn't respect you. Every time you walk into a room, you get ignored. People cut you off mid-sentence and you leave feeling completely worthless. You think it's because of your face, your genetics, or your low bank account. You are wrong. Your internal aura is simply broken. Now look at the top 1%. When an alpha steps inside a chaotic room, conversations instantly freeze. They don't shout. They don't beg for attention. Yet, every eye locks onto them. In dark psychology, this is called an unshakable frame, a dangerous mental field that forces people to bend their knee. You are blindly breaking 10 psychological laws that keep you weak. Today, we rebuild your presence into an iron fortress. But hear this. If you cannot watch this until the end, close this video right now. Weak minds cannot handle this data, and the final 2 laws will completely terrify you. Law 1. Mindset architecture. The very first law you must master to rebuild your magnetic field is mindset architecture. This requires you to completely destroy and redesign your internal frame. When you enter an important meeting, a high-end social event, or even a casual room, what kind of toxic signals is your subconscious mind sending you? You are likely telling yourself that you are the weakest person in the room, that your clothes are too cheap, that everyone else is far more successful, and that you must perform perfectly to be accepted. This internal betrayal by your own mind projects vulnerability. It crushes your aura before you even open your mouth. You must memorize this absolute psychological law. The world will never judge you based on what you desperately demand. It will only ever match the exact price tag you place on yourself internally. If you enter a room viewing yourself as a cheap item on a clearance shelf, society will treat you with a massive discount without a second thought. Forbid these weak thoughts from this moment forward. Firmly lock a new rule into your mind. You do not step into a room to look for validation or approval from the crowd. You enter because you are the most grounded, stable, and unyielding anchor in that entire environment. Until that internal blueprint shifts, no amount of external tricks will ever save your presence. Law 2. Information asymmetry. The second rule of dominance relies heavily on information asymmetry. This is a classic dark psychology strategy that says you must never lay your entire life story open before the world. Low-value individuals suffer from a severe behavioral disease, compulsive oversharing. They meet someone for the first time and immediately share their deepest traumas, their past heartbreaks, their failures, and their future ambitions just to buy quick intimacy or cheap validation. Human psychology is hardwired to respect, fear, and obsess over things that are highly unpredictable and wrapped in mystery. When you deliberately choose to speak less and keep your personal cards hidden close to your chest, you turn yourself into a psychological black box. You force people to burn mental energy trying to figure you out. Remember this simple economic truth. Cheap, worthless coins rattle and scream inside an empty bucket, while high-value currency notes remain entirely silent. Keep your speech tightly controlled, deliberate, and highly measured. Ensure that whenever your voice cuts through the air, it delivers absolute value rather than a stream of useless, self-sabotaging chatter. Law 3. Tactical body language. The third law directly controls your physical presence through tactical body language. This is an area that most ordinary people have completely ruined through anxious habits. Your body language communicates with the primal, evolutionary layers of the human brain long before your spoken words ever reach their conscious ears. When you walk with hurried, nervous steps, constantly fidget with your clothing, look down at the floor, or break eye contact out of sheer discomfort, your aura is instantly buried alive. Truly powerful, high-status individuals are never seen rushing through life. Their physical movements are remarkably smooth, deliberate, and carry an air of absolute calculation. To weaponize this, you must adopt 2 strict physical rules starting today. First, implement the eye lock protocol. When someone speaks to you, anchor your gaze into their eyes with absolute stillness. Refuse to break it until they have completely finished their thought. Second, master the 3-second delay. When a question is thrown at you, do not snap back with an instant, panicked response. Instead, take a calm breath. Hold a deliberate 3-second pause to signal that your thoughts are premium assets. Then, deliver your point with absolute composure. Fast talkers are universally seen by the human subconscious as frightened prey. Law 4. Strict emotional stoicism. The fourth rule elevates you above the masses by enforcing strict emotional stoicism. This means maintaining an absolute iron grip over your emotional energy. Consider how you currently react when someone insults you, tries to humiliate you publicly, or betrays your trust. Your immediate instinct is likely to explode in rage, scream to defend yourself, or show your deep emotional pain. The moment you react emotionally to an attack, you have officially handed over the control panel of your mind to your enemy on a silver platter. High-value alpha figures are never reactive. They are purely active and deeply detached from the petty insults of the crowd. No matter what kind of chaos, disrespect, or emotional storm is swirling around you, your facial expressions must remain completely neutral, unreadable, and cold. A face that shows absolutely no reaction and remains entirely undisturbed in the middle of an intense conflict terrifies an opponent. Why? Because they cannot calculate what dangerous move you are planning next. The world will easily offer cheap pity to a crying emotional face, but it reserves its highest form of raw respect exclusively for those who stand like an unmoving stone wall against the tide. Law 5. The ghost frame. The fifth rule demands your complete withdrawal from all forms of useless arguments. This is a strategy known as navigating through the ghost frame. When you lower yourself to argue with a toxic, low-value person over a meaningless point just to prove you are right, you are actively draining your own energy. You are lowering your aura to their level. Influential minds understand that their mental bandwidth is far too expensive to be wasted on trying to educate or correct the ignorant masses. If someone attempts to trap you into a useless argument or hurls a petty insult your way, do not shout. Do not explain your perspective and do not get defensive. Simply drop into total silence. Look directly into the center of their eyes with a cold, almost mocking smile of complete indifference and walk away as if that person doesn't even exist in your reality. This calculated silence acts as a devastating psychological mirror. It forces the other person to realize that they are so entirely insignificant that they do not even deserve your anger. It leaves them staying awake at night, drowning in their own humiliation, while you remain focused on your empire. Law 6. Hypercompetence. The sixth law serves as the non-negotiable bedrock of this entire system, and it is the pursuit of absolute hypercompetence. Let us strip away all the comforting lies and face the naked truth. Trying to build a powerful, magnetic aura without backing it up with raw skill and power is a complete delusion. It will collapse under the slightest pressure. If you do not possess a single highly developed capability that elevates you far above the average crowd, your confidence will always remain a hollow, fake performance that people can see right through. You must deliberately choose a single domain, a single critical skill, or a single professional mountain. Bury yourself so deeply into its mastery that no one around you can even come close to competing with your execution. When you possess the absolute internal certainty that you can perform a task better than anyone else sitting in a boardroom, your physical posture, your vocal resonance, and your natural aura automatically lock into a state of supreme dominance. You won't need any fake techniques because true competence breeds unshakable kings. Law 7. Aesthetic precision. The seventh rule requires you to take complete ownership of your aesthetic precision and physical presentation. This is a domain that weak people often dismiss by hiding behind the cliché of inner beauty. Make no mistake about the laws of human nature. Society will always read your exterior book long before they ever care to explore the chapters of your soul. While your facial features are a genetic hand dealt by nature, your physical fitness, your posture, your grooming, and your clothing choices are 100% under your direct control. Commit to hitting the gym, lifting heavy weights, and forcing your body through intense physical discipline. The resulting surge in biological confidence and optimal posture will naturally alter your presence and cast a commanding shadow over any room. Combine this physical optimization with clean, sharp, tailored clothing that projects structure. And never underestimate the power of an elite high-end fragrance. Scent bypasses the logical brain and connects directly to the system controlling memory and primal emotion. It ensures that long after you have left a room, your magnetic presence remains permanently burned into the minds of everyone left behind. Law 8. Validation fasting. The 8th rule forces you to break free from a modern epidemic that is destroying the souls of the masses. Validation fasting. If you are someone who constantly changes their behavior, smiles excessively, or says yes to every request just to ensure that nobody feels uncomfortable or dislikes you, you are a desperate addict. You are begging for cheap social attention. An addict begging for attention can never occupy a throne. The moment you crave another human being's approval, you give them full authority to dictate your self-worth and ruin your entire day with a single cold look. A truly magnetic aura belongs exclusively to those who are completely independent, self-validated, and entirely detached from the opinions of the crowd. Stop running after people. Stop trying to make everyone notice your existence. Become so deeply self-contained that your validation comes entirely from your own metrics of success. When you stop chasing people and stand firmly in your own orbit, human psychology reverses its flow. It transforms you into a celestial body that the crowd feels forced to revolve around. Law 9. Artificial scarcity. The 9th rule is the ultimate weapon used by the global elite to manipulate human value, and it is the implementation of artificial scarcity. The entirety of human society operates on a very basic economic principle. Whenever the supply of a product is infinite and readily available, its market value drops straight to zero. If you are the person who attends every single useless party, shows up to every low-level social invitation, and picks up every phone call on the very first ring, you have single-handedly turned your presence into a cheap, common commodity. That which is handed out for free at every corner is stepped on and treated as trash. Meanwhile, that which requires immense effort, time, and positioning to access is treated as a priceless luxury. Make your time exceptionally expensive. Pull back from the public eye and let your absence be deeply felt by the world around you. When people have to actively plan, wait, and qualify just to secure a fraction of your attention because you are obsessively focused on your high-level goals, they will instantly recognize your elite worth. They will treat your presence as a rare privilege. Law 10. The leverage shift. The 10th and ultimate secret that will permanently change the trajectory of your life is mastering the leverage shift. This dictates that you must always position yourself as highly capable, never needy. No matter how difficult your journey becomes, never lower yourself to beg, plead, or complain before anyone for respect, love, or financial salvation. Exposing your desperation only triggers a natural human instinct to discard and avoid you. Instead of crying about your helplessness, focus every ounce of your intellect on engineering your life so that you become an absolute necessity for the people around you. Elevate your wealth, your networks, and your unique problem-solving capabilities to such a high level that individuals and organizations literally cannot function efficiently without your intervention. Truly powerful people do not waste their lives chasing emotional attachments or begging for a seat at the table. They create immense structural leverage until the table itself is moved to their location. When you achieve this level of sovereign value, you will no longer need to look for a crowd, because the highest levels of society will stand in line just to catch a glimpse of your world. These are the 10 unshakable laws of psychological dominance that possess the power to take an invisible, broken individual and force them into a magnetic powerhouse of respect. Now, look closely into your own life and tell me with absolute honesty in the comment section below. Which single rule from these 10 you are going to aggressively apply to your life starting today? Make sure to type out your actual name alongside your answer so I can personally identify and respect the serious individuals among my viewers who refuse to waste their valuable life consuming brain-numbing short reels and instead chose to invest their time fully absorbing this deep, high-level knowledge. If this presentation has shattered your old illusions and strengthened your internal frame, hit the like button immediately, subscribe to this channel and ensure your bell notification icon is turned on so that you never miss a single powerful delivery of this psychological blueprint. Thank you for walking this path with me. Keep your internal frame ironclad and remain absolutely magnetic.